Okay, so the quadratic formula, we got two equations here. What's the quadratic formula?
Minus b
plus
or minus square root.
Fine, you know what?
What is it, Jake? I know, I don't know. I'll go with Jake.
I was almost done.
I know.
Plus b squared.
He asked earlier if he could do it. B squared.
Minus
4 times 8.
All over 2a.
I thought it was 4ac.
So it's b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. I know that it wasn't on the test. Remember, I even gave you guys a second to get it down on your test at the beginning if you had it somewhere in your notes. But of course, you had to have it somewhere in your notes for that too. So negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. For question number 1, what is a?
2.
What is b?
10.
What is c?
negative 4.
And make sure you think about it as negative 4. So we got negative 10 plus or minus the square root of 10 squared minus 4. What's a?
2.
What's c?
Negative 4.
So this will only be a positive note because you got two negatives in there and a positive. All over 2 times 2. So negative 10 plus or minus the square root of 100 plus 4 times 4 is 16, so plus 32 because there's a 2 in there. All over 4. There's an important piece here that I saw a lot of people kind of
132.
didn't get. So this is 132, negative 10 plus or minus the square root of 132.
I know this one.
All over 4. I had a lot of people kind of look at this and say, we'll either say that, oh, 4 goes into 32, so I'll take 4 right out of it. What is this? Is this 132 or is this 132?
It's a square root.
It's the square root of 132, right? Think about what the value is. It's not that much.
Yeah, 17,000.
That's 132 squared, maybe.
Oh, the square root
Of that,
So, this is the square root of 132. 4, you can't just take 4 out of it. You gotta figure out, you gotta figure out more than just that. Can we take 4 out? We can take 4 out of 132. How many times does 4 go into 132?
No. It's 30.
33.
33, yeah. It's so close.
33 times. So this is equal to the square root of 4 times the square root of 33. What's that equal to?
Oh, jeez. 2 and isn't 33 a prime number?
Yeah, so it's 2 square roots of
33.
33. So we change this to 2 square roots of 33. What comes out of all 3 of these numbers?
1, 2.
2. So we can take 2 on this, we can take 2 of that, we can take 2 of that, and this would become negative 5 plus or minus the square root of 33 all over 4. To be honest, I was accepting this answer.
Can we take what we're taking 2 out of 4 of this would be over 2?
Oh, yeah, sorry. I'm bad.
You
All over
accept
2.
Simple answers.
So this answer is better.
Alright.
That answer is better than pretty much no matter what because you're reducing it. I mean, it's like saying that 10/8, that 5/4 is better than 10/8. You're reducing the fraction. You're reducing the square root. It's better to write 5/4 than 10/8. Questions, comments, concerns? Okay. Next question. What's A?
5.
Remember, you guys can be fixing your answers while we're going over things. Remember, you guys can be fixing your answers as we're going over things. A is negative 5. B is 2.
Negative 11.
Okay. So we're going to plug in 11 plus or minus the square root of 11 squared.
Negative 11.
Oh, wait. Oh, no, not 11 squared. My bad. Negative 2. I'm going way too quick. Remember, I'm going to say it one more time just because I see some people aren't doing it. Remember the fact that you can change your answers on the test as we're going over them. Okay. So 2 squared minus 4 times negative 5 times negative 11 all over 2 times negative 5. What is 2 squared? is negative 4 times negative 5?
20.
20. What's 20 times negative 11?
Oh, big
220, or negative 220.
So 4 minus 220, all over negative 10,
So it'd be 216.
216. And is it positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative.
Negative 216, all over 10.
Big 2 Or,
You would have to be able to take 4 out of this number. Can we take 4 out of that number?
Yes.
Yes. That would be, because it's square root of 4 times 54? Square root of 54?
find out for you.
And do note that's if we take out I.
The 10's supposed to be negative, right?
Where'd you even get 54?
Yeah.
That's the,
That's
what
what it makes.
216 divided by 4 is.
So I took out 4 out of 216.
What?
I took 4 out of 216. We said 4 goes into 216.
Well,
You could use a calculator if you wanted to, but
Where'd you get the
if you do
4?
divide 216 by 4,
where'd you get the 4?
well, okay, basically I'm trying to reduce the square root. Remember when we were going over reducing square roots, what you want to do is figure out a square number that goes into it. I would naturally start, well, I would start with 4 mainly because I see even numbers here, and if 2 can come out, it'll look pretty good. But remember, you have 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, all those numbers you can take out. If we take out 4, do you guys get why that would come out of the square root? This one's the square root of 4.
Yeah, I just don't know how to get
32,
54.
36.
What?
I don't know how you get 54.
What's 4 times 54?
No, I mean, where did 54 come from? How did we get that number?
Well, I said, does 4 go into 216? What's 216 divided by 4? That's how I got the number. What's 216 divided by 4? 216 divided by 4 is 54. So that means that the square root of 216 is the same thing as the square root of 4 times the square root of 54.
I don't know if you understand.
I think that is definitely. Yeah, because you get.
Let's pause for a moment. I want to make sure everybody gets this. This is a pretty big thing to get. 216. You're reducing the square root. You have to figure out what square. There's different ways to do it. You can put it down to prime factors, or you can put it down to what square number goes into it. If we can say that 4 goes into 54 or 216, we divide it by 4. That means 4 times 54 is 216. That means we have the square root of 4 and the square root of 54, and the negative comes out as I. What is the square root of 4? 2. So this means that this could be negative 2 plus or minus 2I square root of 54 all over negative 10. 2 comes out of everything. Negative 1 plus or minus I square root of 54 all over negative 5. Best answer. Again, I was actually accepting this answer right here. This is by far a better answer though, especially on this one, because you want to take out your I, show it's imaginary. Yes.
How do you figure your average?
Any questions at all?